Okay, it's All City Auctioneers here, and we have lot number L102 coming up in our May industrial vehicle and equipment auction, government surplus and estate. This one here is a government surplus item. It's a Toro SFS 36-inch, what is it, Superflow. It's a walk-behind commercial mower, powered by a Kohler Pro 15 horsepower gas engine. Hour meter on it, 1,846 hours, electric start. So of course we have already used it here, so just going to try and give you a little bit of a walk around. So tires appear to be in decent condition, few marks and scratches, some surface rust. There's a small little battery there. There's the Kohler, what is it? Looks like 426cc. All the controls. So this is selling unreserved, highest bid wins. And I will just put my tripod down here and go fire it up for you. Hope you can still see it. So that is selling on the in our May government surplus and estate auction here in Langley, British Columbia. That is a Toro. It's a Hydra drive, 36-inch commercial mower, electric start. Everything appears to operate as required, but of course it has been previously used, so probably needs some maintenance. Hope you get another buy-by auction, and that sells online using our website, bcsurplus.com. Hope you get another buy-by auction.